Top the scoreboard. ROG Gaming Keycap Set with premium texture color gives you a tactical edge over the competition in FPS and MOBA gameplay. Makes your every hit count so you can level up smoothly without even taking your eyes off the action on screen. Enhanced control. Coarse-textured finish of keycaps with a durable coating for extra grip makes them instantly distinguishable, so your shot never misses the mark. Designed to deliver accurate keypress, same consistent typing force as PBT keys. Play in style. Red metal alloy keycap with a 3D metallic ROG logo takes pride of place on the keyboard. The rest 7-side lit keycaps with RGB lighting from surrounding cyber patterns adds a cool touch. Placed together they reveal the complete ROG logo. Easy installation. This solidly built custom keycap set is compatible with Cherry MX switches and works with a wide variety of mechanical gaming keyboards. With the included keycap puller tool, upgrade your keyboard in no time and rule the game. Build an exclusive ROG ecosystem. For the ultimate gameplay experience, create a premium quality gaming rig with ASUS headset, mouse, keyboard and other gaming accessories to set the stage for your epic battles and stunning victories. Top reviews from the United States. A nice cool decoration gadget for keyboard. Eye-catching, cool looking. Easy to install. Definitely perfect fit with ROG Strix Flare 2 keyboard. Feel the same as original caps. Good material made.